Good morning. Hi. Good morning, guys. It is a day in lockdown. I would so rather be sleeping right now, but here I am. Let's get ready for work. So I have duty today for 24 hours. So I have already prepared and packed up my stuff. So I'm gonna show you. These are my duty stuff packed. My bag, my duty bag, and yeah. As you guys can probably tell from the sound of my voice, I'm tired and I don't really want to go work today, but even in lockdown, healthcare workers, doctors, and such still have to go to work. So I am going to go get ready for work. The only good thing is that there's less traffic on the road, so I should reach work quicker than I would another day. Alright. Oh, I look so drawn up. Yes, I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth right about now. So lately I have been using the Urban Skin RX cleansing bar and the usual Colgate and Listerine. Yeah. probably in the car. If you like put these on, then you. Hi guys, so I am way fresher. I am way more, enthused about the day, and I am on my way to work now. I'm in the car driving. You see the difference between this morning when I just woke up and now, like, whole different person. Anyways, so I'm heading to work, and as I mentioned before, I'm on duty today. I am on the labor ward, so I'll be dealing with all of these mothers who are coming in for delivery. To the sun. Let's get somewhere with better lighting. Yeah, the mothers coming in for delivery help to usher in new life in the world, which is what I enjoy. I like ushering in new life into the world. So yeah, that's what I'm assigned to today. But before labor ward, I have to go on the regular ward. Before I go to the labor ward, I go on the regular ward to see patients. Boy, this sounds wacky. See patients, and then I go to my antenatal clinic to see mothers who are not quite ready to deliver yet, who came for their clinic appointment. So yeah, the road is clear. It's like a Sunday. It's not quite empty, but it's clear enough. I'll show you guys the road. This is what a no movement day looks like. So I'm at a stoplight. So as I was mentioned today, I have work, I have duty, I am on the labor ward. But before I go to the labor ward in the morning, I have regular work and I have antenatal clinic. So first I go and see the patients on the ward, make sure everybody's okay, alive and kicking, mommy and baby. And then I go to antenatal clinic for the mothers who are not quite ready to deliver yet, and just make sure that everything is okay with them. They have all of their investigations, they've done their ultrasounds, their blood investigations, and done everything they need to make sure that they're ready, and just check up on them. So that is what I have today. And then in the evening I have labor ward. It is now crop season, which means most babies are born during this time of the year, between September to December. So usually there are a lot more patients than usual. Alright guys, so I am at work now. I am going to just take out my face mask. I usually keep it in the glove compartment. I have my little pack. And I'm going to just put on my mask and head in, start my day. Oh my god. And so it begins. Usually I just bring out my bag and my lunch bag and leave everything else inside until duty time, because I have to put the stuff in the fridge and I need my bag to survive. So yeah, anyways, let's get inside for work. Just finished on the ward, so I am heading down to clinic. Alright guys, so it is like minutes to 6 right now. I've started my duty. I saw the patients on the ward and the already start looking popped down. So I am just sitting down in the doctor's room right now. We have the other resident is in there to doing a case, and we have another case. So we will see how this duty goes. But right now I am fatigued, like mentally fatigued, but otherwise I'm okay. Yeah. For lunch I had lasagna. I didn't show you guys me eating lunch because I just wanted to eat lunch and done. But yeah, after clinic, I had my lunch and then duty, saw the patients on the ward, and now I'm here. Yeah. So yeah. So I just finished doing a cervical laceration repair. Um, so yeah, basically that's what I've done. Most of the mothers who I saw earlier have now delivered, which is good, which is right, which is just. You come here for one thing, and I'm happy. Delivered healthy, happy babies. So no, it's just, as with labor ward, there is always a turnover, so new mothers coming in who are in labor, who are waiting to be delivered. So it's to sort out those and to review anybody who is undelivered and to see if we need to do anything for them so far. I hope we don't have any additional C-sections because oxygen is low, so we don't want to be using up the oxygen, especially because unless it's a real emergency. Post call, mash up, bad. Alright guys, so it is like 7:30 in the morning. I am post call, I am mash up. We had no more sections after the two. Did some cervical lacerations, delivered some mothers, saw patients, and yeah, that's about it. You'd think I'd go home now, but no, there's more. I have rounds, I have to go on the ward, so I'm waiting to get cleaned up, the change, and then I have ward rounds this morning with the consultant. And my day continues until 4. Help me save me. Alright, so I've showered, I've changed, I'm all dressed, and that's all for today. Until next time.